I consider a barber's tools the heartbeat of the craft. It's an extension of my hands to turn skill and vision into reality. Every clipper, trimmer, and shaver has the power to elevate a haircut, or it can ruin it. And that's why I don't see having the best tools as optional. I think they're essential. You got the sharpest steel, the strongest motors. The most reliable machines give you the control and precision you need to turn your raw skill into walking works of art. With the right tools in your hands, your art commands attention, your confidence soars, and every client is proof that you really are a master of your craft. With 2026 almost here, I'm stepping into the new year with the barbering tools that will shape every cut, every fade, and every lineup. I've tested a lot of machines, but this list isn't about hype or trends. It's about the tools that I trust, the machines that won't fail, and the ones that help turn skill into true artistry. This is my arsenal for the upcoming year, and every machine has earned its place in my hands. Some tools are being retired not because they're bad or anything, but simply because my current arsenal outclasses them. I don't have new footage of this tool. It didn't last very long on my station. If you watched my review of the Wall Vapor, you know that it didn't live up to its expectations. Although it gave a smooth fade, the blade heated up too fast, the battery life was not the greatest, and overall, I was just disappointed with this tool, especially for the price that I paid for it. Wall's history is undeniable, but the recent direction is lagging in innovation, and the industry is advancing quickly. And Wall just hasn't kept up with the pace just yet. So I was actually very excited to own this machine, but I've barely touched it since reviewing it earlier this year. The Tomb 45 and Babyliss collab, the T45 clipper, was supposed to be one of the biggest collabs to release in 2025. There's a ton of little details that I love about this clipper. The logo on the rubber grips, the LED lighting, the green cutting blade. It can charge wirelessly. This clipper honestly performs pretty well. The real reason it rarely leaves my station is the size. It's just too heavy and too thick for me to use comfortably every day. They don't fit my hands the way I need them to. Obviously everyone's different, but this is my setup and my workflow. I'm used to slimmer, more ergonomic clippers, and compared to those, this one just doesn't hold up. The next 3 machines will come to you guys as a surprise, because these were actually some of my favorite tools last year, and they're all from the same brand. Let's start with the shaver. So this was the shaver of my choice last year, and guys, it's still an amazing shaver, and probably the best bang for your buck out there right now at around $50. This shaver does its job very well and very efficiently. I'd compare it to a cheaper but just as good Babyliss Metal Effects shaver. The only reason why I'm retiring it is because my primary shaver is the best that I've ever used. The TPOB X trimmer is another trimmer that I had in my main arsenal last year. I've used this tool as my primary liners, and in combination with the Psycho blade, it is one of the sharpest trimmers that's currently available. I love the size and power you get out of it. But with that being said, my current liner, to me, is better in every way. This might be a hot take for you guys, but I just prefer the overall performance of my primary trimmers compared to the X. The last tool I'm retiring this year is the Ghost X. This trimmer has one job: debulking hair for skin fades, and it is great at it. This trimmer is cheap, the blade is soft, and it's insanely efficient. It saves my main trimmers from extra wear. It's perfect for quickly reducing hair to stubble. I'm only retiring the Ghost X because I did find another trimmer that has better performance and build quality. But for the price, this thing can't be beat. All these machines are good in their own way, except the Wall Vapor. Don't even waste your money on it. Now it's time to take you through my main arsenal of machines that I use every single day. Starting with the shaver. My favorite shaver of all time, the TPOB Go Shaver. This is hands down the best shaver that I've ever used. It's lightweight, premium, affordable, and extremely powerful. With 10,000 RPMs, it's made balding skin fades extremely easy, and I recommend this for everyone to try. It's that good. For my trimmers this year, I have two that I use daily. The first trimmer is the VGR V886 trimmer. This trimmer replaced my TPOB Ghost X as my main soft trimmer. It's got an all-metal body, LED screen, and an absolute powerhouse when it comes to debulking. It does it so effortlessly and smoothly, and the body being all metal makes this feel very premium. You have to get this in a set along with the V886 clipper, but the price is only about $90 for the set, so it's extremely affordable. This won't give you sharp lines, the weight isn't balanced well, but in terms of cutting hair to stubble for skin fades, it's an absolute tank. My second trimmer and my main hitters are the TPOB Play trimmer. This trimmer is the most versatile trimmer out there with so many blade options. You need it for lines, use the Psycho or Crazy blade. Debulking, use the Softy blade. Precise, hard to reach areas, use the pencil blade. There is a blade for every job for this trimmer. It's an extremely premium machine at a very affordable price point. My favorite part about it is how quiet it is. I've never used a trimmer that is this powerful, this sharp, and this quiet all at the same time. I've been using this trimmer all year, and I plan on using it as my main trimmer in the new year. And finally, my favorite clipper that I'm taking with me to 2026, my personal clipper of the year for 2 years in a row, the TPOB Play clipper. This clipper was my top pick in last year's video, and it takes the crown again this year. There are now two versions, the standard play and the mini play. The mini play has kept its power, most of the battery life, a smooth sound, it cuts effortlessly, blends beautifully, and stays consistent no matter the hair type. You also get a ton of customization options, including 3 blade choices, the XO Play blade, the all-new Architect blade, and my personal favorite, the Chunk blade. For the price, you won't find a better value in the industry. This is easily one of the most premium, efficient, and quiet clippers on the market today, and every barber, from beginners to seasoned vets, should have this in their lineup.